Please, on the issue of the Water Charges Committee. Please resume your seat. And I wish to confirm my point. Please resume your seat.
Well, Count Corla, I'll reinforce the point, because let's be quite clear on what's going on here. This is an attempt on the part of the government, with the support of people on the Fianna Fail benches, to pull a really, really sly one on the issue of the Water Charges Committee, the Oireachtas Water Charges Committee. Let's spell out what is happening here. There's a proposal here, this sheet of paper, right? And I'm going to quote from the motion that is being put, that the chairman of the Joint Committee shall be Senator Pádraig Ó Céidigh. In other words, what the government over here, with the support of Fianna Fail over here, allow me to continue, Count Corla, right? What?
People want to raise points of order. I've taken them. If you want a point of order, Deputy Barry, by all means, make a point of order.
Otherwise, no, he's going into the detail of the proposal. Well, there's many important points that may need to be raised.
Okay.
Would you conclude?
Corla, yes, on a point of order.
Right.
The point is this, that we had a committee established in this House earlier in the lifetime of this Dáil, the Committee on Housing and Homelessness, right? And the chairperson of the Committee of Housing and Homelessness was not appointed by the government after a backroom conversation with Fianna Fail. The chairperson of that committee was elected. Please don't interrupt me, Minister. The chairperson of that committee was elected, right? And what is being proposed here is that the government,
right. You made your point.
The government will pick the chairperson of the committee. No, but Count Corla,
you've made your point
there's a little. No, I haven't finished my point, Count Corla, because there's some context.
No, Deputy Barry, you've made.
I'm sorry, Count Corla.
But we have ordered.
I haven't completed my point.
I've allowed him loads of time.
It's a breach with previous committees, he's saying.
Yeah, he's made that point. He's made that point.
And I have a couple of further points to make. In relation to it.
No. A point of order is something that's made briefly, succinctly. You've made your point. You want to get into
I haven't completed my
political debate. There's going to be a motion put before us, which you can vote for or against as you choose. We're not going down that road any further.
The motion should not be put.
Please, I don't want to be at odds with you, Deputy Barry.
The motion should not be put.
Please resume your. Please. Would you just please? Would you just please resume your seat?
I don't.
No, sorry. We can't have that type of approach to the business. We either conduct our business here in a professional, parliamentary fashion. This is not the marketplace. So please resume your seat, please, or else I will be forced to suspend. I will suspend the House unless you. I cannot tolerate members treating their colleagues and the House in such a disrespectful manner. Please, Deputy Coventry, I'm not talking to you at all. Please resume your. Please.
On the issue of the Water Charges Committee.
Please resume your seat.
And I wish to confirm my point.
Please resume your seat. Please resume your seat. I'm asking you to resume your seat. The House is suspended for 5 minutes.